Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports biometrics and has enough battery. This avoids interruptions. Once done, remove any thick screen protector and unlock your device. Now open Settings and go straight to Security or Biometrics and Privacy. This is where enrollment lives. Make sure you have a PIN, pattern, or password set already. Android requires a secure backup. If you don't, create one now, then return to Biometrics to proceed with sensor setup. Next, select Fingerprint or Face Unlock and follow the guided steps. For fingerprints, place your finger on the sensor repeatedly, adjusting angle and pressure until the system captures edges and center. For face, hold the phone at eye level and slowly turn your head. Make sure to register at least one alternate finger or secondary appearance for reliable unlocking. Once the device confirms enrollment, give the biometric entry a clear name if prompted, and enable optional settings like quicker unlock or app authentication. Finish by enabling biometrics where needed. Screen unlock, app sign-in, or mobile payments, toggle each option on. Test unlocking several times with natural movement. If it fails often, delete and re-register the biometric, aiming for different angles. If problems persist, clean the sensor or camera, reboot the phone, and check for system updates. Outdated software commonly causes recognition issues. For persistent hardware faults, contact the manufacturer or visit service. But most errors resolve after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.